Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Japanese for beginners. In this session, we'll learn some common Japanese greetings. Greetings in Japanese is called aisatsu. Japanese are very particular about posture and tone they use during speaking. Hence, Japanese uses casual or informal and polite or formal way of speaking. To interact among friends, families, relatives and unknown persons, they use casual and informal way of speaking, while to interact with senior persons such as teachers, professors, bosses or any unknown person older in age, they use polite and formal way of speaking. So here, Ohayo. Ohayo means good morning. Ohayo is the casual way of saying good morning. So Ohayo means good morning. This is casual. Next is Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Gozaimasu indicates politeness and formality. So Ohayo gozaimasu is the informal way of, polite or informal way of saying good morning. So Ohayo is the casual way of saying good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu is also good morning. This is informal or polite. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa is used as casual as well as informal way of saying. This is the most common greeting in Japanese. Konnichiwa means hello or good day. Use casual as well as informal. Polite. Konbanwa. Konbanwa means good evening. Casual as well as informal. Casual or informal as well as formal way of saying good evening. Oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi nasai means good night. Sayonara. When somebody is separating from his friends or relatives for a long time, sayonara means goodbye. When somebody is separating for a long time from his friends or relatives, then he uses sayonara means goodbye. Arigato. Arigato. Arigato means thank you. Casual. This is casual way of saying thank you. Casual or informal. Arigato means thank you. Casual way of saying thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. This is the formal way of saying thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu means thank you, formal. This is formal way of saying thank you. Formal or polite way of saying thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Do itashimashite. Do itashimashite means you are welcome. Mention not. Mention not. Sumimasen. Sumimasen means excuse me. Oh, I am sorry. Gomen nasai. Gomen nasai means I am sorry. O-genki desu ka? O-genki desu ka? O-genki desu ka means how are you? If somebody asks, "Oh, genki desu ka?" you will say, "Genki desu, I am fine." Or "Kekko desu, I am fine, thank you." "Oh, genki desu ka?" Mata asita. Mata asita means see you tomorrow. Shitsurei shimasu. Shitsurei shimasu. While entering or leaving the room, you say shitsurei shimasu means excuse me. So these are some common greetings in Japanese. First one is Ohio. Ohio means good morning. This is a casual and informal way of saying good morning. Ohio. Ohio gozaimasu. Gozaimasu indicates politeness and formality. So Ohio gozaimasu means good morning. It is polite and formal. Polite and formal way of saying good morning. Polite and formal. Konnichiwa. She means hello, good day or good afternoon. Konbanwa. Konbanwa means good evening. She used as casual as well as formal. Oyasumi nasai means good night. Sayonara. Sayonara means goodbye. When you are separating from somebody, your friend or anybody for a long time, then you say goodbye. Sayonara means goodbye. Arigato. Arigato means thank you. This is a casual and informal way of saying thank you. Arigato. Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu is the polite and formal way of saying thank you. So arigato gozaimasu means thank you. Formal and polite way of saying thank you. Do itashimashite. Do itashimashite means you are welcome. Means or not. Sumimasen. Sumimasen means excuse me. Sorry. Gomen nasai means I am sorry. O-genki desu ka? How are you? Suppose somebody asks you, O-genki desu ka? You will say genki desu. Kekko desu. I am fine, thank you. Mata ashita. Mata ashita means see you tomorrow. Shitsurei shimasu. Shitsurei shimasu means excuse me. This is used when you are entering or leaving the room. Shitsurei shimasu means excuse me. Now we will stop here and meet again in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.